Alright, today we're doing an oil change on a 2007 Toyota Camry. This is the hybrid. First thing you're going to do is you're going to crack the oil fill cap, and then you go on here and you have your, this is the passenger side, you got the oil filter here and the drain plug there. It's a 14 millimeter. And you're gonna go ahead and loosen that guy. Make sure you have your catch pan situated. And drain the oil. And as your oil is draining, you can go up here and drop your oil filter. Should have a bit of oil come out of this too, so try and have your catch pan ready for that too. There's your oil filter. And just plop it right on your pan and just let everything dribble up. And got your new oil filter. This particular one is a Fram. See, the part number is XG4386. And what I'll do is I'll take some oil from the pan. New, old, doesn't really matter. And I'll just wipe it on your threads. A little rubber gasket here. Just to lube everything up before I spin it on. And then you'll go ahead and put new filter on the same spot you took the old one off. And you want to have this a strong hand tight, nothing else. And that's the filter. Now that the oil is pretty much done draining out, you can go ahead and stick this guy back in, hand tighten it. And then snug it up with your ratchet. Next, we'll start filling the reservoir with oil. Book calls for 4.5 quarts, so we got 5 here. What I do is I'll put 4 in, and then start the engine up, let it fill the oil filter, and then I'll top it off with whatever is needed after that. Okay, so we got 4 quarts in here. Go ahead and pull the funnel out, cap it, and then start the car up. And let it just, let the engine idle for a minute. If it turns off, just kick the gas a little bit and it'll turn the engine back on, just to fill the oil filter before we top it off. Okay, so we let it run for, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go top it off. Just take your oil dipstick here, clean it off, stick it back in, check it. You can see we're about halfway up, so we'll add a little bit and check it again. See, we added a little more, about half a quart, a little more than half a quart. Check it. see we're right up there where we need to be. And that's it. Go ahead and put the cap back on. Now we're inside. We're going to reset the maintenance required light. So first thing you'll do is turn the car on like you normally would. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's dark, but it will say maintenance required. So go ahead and hit your trip light and just make sure you're on trip A, and then go ahead and turn the car off. And next you're going to hold the brake, hold the trip button, and turn the car on like you normally would. And it says maintenance required, reset mode, and let it count down, complete, and done. Passenger door is open because it is, but that will keep that annoying maintenance required emblem going. It'll keep it from coming back on after you change your oil.